Welcome to Soundline English. Look at all these books, David. I love spending Saturday mornings at the library.
This library is amazing. So many different sections. Where should we start?
Let's go to the fiction section first. I want to find a good novel for this weekend.
Great idea. Reading is such a perfect weekend activity.
Here's a mystery book that looks interesting. Do you like mystery novels?
I prefer adventure stories, but mystery sounds good too. How do you choose books?
I always read the first page. If it grabs my attention, I borrow it.
That's smart. Dear English learners, libraries are great places to practice reading English.
Look, they have a comfortable reading area with soft chairs. Should we sit and read for a while?
Perfect. Weekend reading is so relaxing. No rush, no pressure.
I love the quiet atmosphere here. It's so peaceful compared to weekdays.
Libraries are wonderful places to spend calm weekend time.
This book is really good. The story is about a detective solving crimes in London.
My adventure book is exciting too. It's about mountain climbing in Nepal.
Reading together is nice, but we're both reading different stories.
That's the fun part. Later, we can tell each other about our books.
Should we borrow these books and continue our weekend activities somewhere else?
Yes, I'm getting hungry. How about we cook something together?
Cooking together sounds wonderful. Let's go to my kitchen.
Weekend cooking is always more fun with friends.
Welcome to my kitchen. What should we cook for lunch?
How about pasta with fresh vegetables? I can help you chop everything.
Perfect. I have tomatoes, bell peppers, and mushrooms. You wash the vegetables. I'll boil the water.
Teamwork. Cooking with friends is one of my favorite weekend activities.
Be careful with that knife, David. Cut the tomatoes into small pieces.
Don't worry, I'm good at chopping. These vegetables look so fresh and colorful.
Fresh ingredients make food taste much better. I love cooking from scratch on weekends.
Weekdays, we eat fast food, but weekends are for real cooking.
The pasta is almost ready. How are those vegetables coming along?
Almost finished. The kitchen smells amazing already. I love the smell of fresh garlic.
Cooking together is so much fun. We should do this more often.
Absolutely. Plus, we're learning useful kitchen vocabulary in English.
After that delicious lunch, we need some exercise. ready for the gym?
Good idea. Weekend workouts help me feel strong and energetic.
Let's start with some cardio on the treadmill. Exercise helps digest food better.
I agree. Physical activity is such an important part of healthy weekends.
This treadmill workout feels great. How long do you usually exercise on weekends?
About 1 hour, mixing cardio and weight training. What about you?
I prefer lighter exercise, yoga, walking, swimming, not too intense on weekends.
Everyone has different exercise preferences. The important thing is moving your body.
Should we try the weight machines together? You can teach me proper technique.
Of course, start with light weights and focus on correct form.
Weekend exercise is more fun with a friend. It doesn't feel like work.
Exactly. Having a workout partner makes exercise enjoyable and motivating. Look at all these movie options. What genre do you prefer for weekend films?
I love action movies on big screens, but comedies are good too. What about you?
Romantic comedies or adventure films. Something light and entertaining for weekends.
Perfect. This adventure comedy looks great. 2 hours of fun and relaxation.
I love movie theater popcorn. It's a weekend tradition for me.
Me too. Plus cold drinks and comfortable seats. This is perfect weekend entertainment.
Movies help us escape from weekday stress and enter different worlds.
Dear English learners, movies are excellent for improving listening skills too.
That movie was fantastic, full of adventure, humor, and great characters.
I loved the ending. Weekend movies always put me in a good mood.
Sharing movie experiences with friends makes them even more enjoyable.
Should we grab coffee and discuss the movie more?
What a beautiful day for a park walk. Fresh air feels amazing after the movie theater.
I love weekend walks in nature. Look at all the families having picnics.
Parks are perfect for weekend relaxation. Green spaces, fresh air, peaceful sounds.
Walking is simple, but so healthy for both body and mind.
Should we sit by this lake for a while? The view is gorgeous.
Great idea. Weekend nature time helps me feel refreshed and calm.
I brought some snacks and water. Outdoor eating always tastes better.
Picnics are classic weekend activities. Simple, but so enjoyable.
Look at those people playing frisbee, others reading under trees. Everyone enjoys parks differently.
That's the beauty of weekend freedom. You choose activities that make you happy.
Some people need active weekends, others prefer quiet, peaceful time.
Both styles are perfect. Weekends should match your personality and energy level. This cafe has such a cozy weekend atmosphere. Perfect for afternoon coffee.
I love cafe culture on weekends. Slow coffee, good conversation, people watching.
Weekend cafes are different from weekday coffee. Less rushing, more enjoying.
Exactly. We can sit here for hours without pressure.
Look around. Everyone seems relaxed. Students reading, friends chatting, couples talking.
Cafes bring people together on weekends. It's social but comfortable.
Dear English learners, cafes are great places to practice English conversations.
Listen to other people's conversations and learn natural expressions. I love visiting museums on weekends. Art and history feed the mind.
This exhibition about ancient civilizations is fascinating. Learning while relaxing.
Weekend museum visits are never rushed. We can spend time with each piece.
Culture and education can be perfect weekend entertainment too.
These paintings are incredible. Weekend cultural activities expand our knowledge.
Museums, galleries, concerts, all great ways to spend meaningful weekend time.
Plus, we're learning new vocabulary about art, history, and culture.
Educational entertainment is my favorite type of weekend activity. Welcome to my place. Sometimes the best weekend activities happen at home.
Your home is so organized and clean. Do you spend weekends organizing?
Yes, weekend cleaning and organizing help me prepare for the new week.
Home activities are underrated. Cooking, cleaning, decorating, organizing.
Should we organize your bookshelf together? I love organizing activities.
Great idea. Organizing with friends makes boring tasks fun and quick.
Plus, we can chat while working. Perfect combination of productive and social.
Weekend home projects give such a satisfying feeling of accomplishment.
What a wonderful weekend. We tried so many different activities together.
Reading, cooking, exercising, movies, nature, cafes, culture, and home projects.
Every activity taught us new English vocabulary and expressions.
Dear English learners, weekends offer endless opportunities to practice English.
whether you prefer quiet activities like reading or active ones like sports.
Social activities like cafes and movies, or creative ones like cooking.
The important thing is enjoying your free time and trying new experiences. What weekend activities do you enjoy most? Tell us in the comments.
Remember, every weekend activity is a chance to learn and practice English.
Try describing your weekend activities in English every Sunday evening.
Thank you for spending this wonderful weekend with us.
Have amazing weekends, everyone. See you next time for more English adventures.